Hello everyone, I am Anjali and welcome to my channel. In this video today I am going to show you how to make A-line kurti. For that, first of all you have to take a fabric. The length of the fabric will be whatever length you want for your kurti, and add 2 more inches to it for seam allowance and folding, and width will be whatever flare you want for your A-line kameez. So take that much of width. So with this measurement you need 2 pieces of fabric like this, 1 and 2, one for the front side and one for the back side, and same measurement, and facing both the fabric for both the sides right side together like this. And now turn this, fold this fabric in half like this. So this way you will have 4 layers of the cloth, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now today we are going to cut both the sides together, front and back. So this way we will have 4 layers of clothes. So now we will mark the measurements of the simple kameez here till the waist. First we will mark the shoulders, then neckline, then armhole, then we will draw a armhole here, then bust line, and then waistline. So till waistline we will follow the same measurement that we have done in simple kameez. So for those who are new to my channel, I would like to tell you that I have uploaded a video in my channel of simple kurti, how to make simple kurti. So you just have to follow those steps and mark it here till waistline. So from waistline we will mark the A-line. So first we will mark the measurement for the simple kameez. So let's do this and then we will mark the rest of kurti. So here I have done the measurement of the simple kurti till waist. I'm so sorry that on this fabric my chalk, my pen, everything is not visible. I tried my best, but I hope you can make out that marking is here. This is the folded part. So this is the neck block. Then I have given shoulders here, and then arms for the sleeves, and then this is the bust point, marking for the bust point, and this is the waist point. So till waist point I have marked the same measurement that I have given to the simple kurti. Now from the waistline I'll give the marking for the A-line. So this is the mark of the waist. So I'll keep my measurement tape here and take it to the end part of the kurti, the bottom part, like this, straight line. And now I'll draw a line. Till the end. So this will be our A-line. Now take a 1 inch of gap for the cutting. Now from the bottom, this is the bottom part. If you are taking a much flare, then take 3 inches, like 3 inches up from the bottom part. But if you are taking less flare, then you can take 2 inches also. So I am taking 3 inches because my flare is a much flare. So I'll take 3 inches ahead and I'll mark it here. And then half of your kurti, half of the bottom part of your kurti, like this is the middle point. So I'll mark here and I'll take 2 inches ahead, and now I'll join these 2 points with a little bit of curve, like this. And I'll take this mark to the end. To the end of this part. This part. From this 3 inch, I'll come to the 2 inch. I'll join this, and then we will slalom slightly down, and then I'll meet this point. Now we will cut this. Now start cutting from the bottom. Like this. Now, so this is our neckline and the shoulders, and now we will cut the sleeves. For sleeves, keep in your mind when you are cutting all the both the sides together, first cut the back part and then remove the back part and now remove the back part first. Like this, and now cut the front arms. So always keep this in your mind that when you are cutting both the sides together, first you have to cut the back arm and then remove the back side and then cut the front arm, so that your sleeves will be different. This is little deep. So our cutting part is done. Now we will do the sewing part of the A-line kameez. So here is our both the sides cut. This is the front side and this is the back side. And now we will do the neckline first, and then we will join the shoulders, and then we will attach the sleeves. For sleeves, you can follow my tutorial how to make sleeves in my channel. Just follow those steps and make your sleeves and then attach it here. Now we will do this, and then we will make the bottom part. So here you can see our both the sides are joined together. Neckline is also done. Shoulders I have joined here, and then sleeves are also joined with the kurti part. And so now we will close the sides of the kurti, and then we will make a chak, and then we will do the bottom. So this is the back part of our kurti, and here we have done the marking. For sleeves, first of all you have to take the measurement of your round arm and take the half of it. Like mine is 12 inches round, so I'll take 6 inches, and I have marked 6 inches from the closed side, and then take this point straight to the here your burst point, and then here to the waist point. Similarly, make the marks for the another side also till waist, and then close this sides with the stitching, and then you can make your chak, or you can keep your kurti closed also, because A-line kameez somebody likes to wear it closed, or you can wear with chak also. So let's close the sides first, and then we will make a chak. So here are both the sides are closed. This is sleeves and the sides. Here also both the sides are closed till the hip point. So hip point you have to take 15 inches down from the burst point. 15 inches down here you have to mark the hip point. Here your hip point will come, and till here you have to close your kurti, and now from hip point to down we will make a chak, and then we will close the bottom. So let's do this. So our A-line kameez is ready. It's looking like this. I have closed the sides, and this is our A-line from both the sides. I have opened it, and this is the chak, and it's looking like this. After making the chak, always iron it so that it will look clean and beautiful. From the bottom I have done a double fold, and then I have done a hemming here. So like this our A-line kameez is ready to wear. So this is our A-line kameez. It's ready, and this is how it's looking. This is the open side, and this is the A-line. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.